Hello everyone, I think everyone is doing very well. In this video today I am talking about how to take a new sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro just right after taking a new project. How to open a new project? You can check my previous video. Whatever, without wasting any time, let's jump to our main video. Well, so first of all we have to know what is the purpose of taking a new sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing. Yes, it is really important because with your sequence you can set your resolution like HD 4K. Also you can set your aspect ratio like 16:9 or 9:16 or 1:1 or whatever you want to set. Also you can set the frame per second, I mean FPS as well as. Well, so we are already in Adobe Premiere Pro and can see a project is opened here, but our next step is taking a sequence. How to do it? Very simple. Go to File, see here New and go to Sequence. Just select it. You can see a sequence box will appear here. Also, if you ask for the shortcut, very simple. Just cancel it for now. If you ask for the shortcut, go to your keyboard and press Ctrl N. You can see the same box will appear here, and now you can set your sequence or customize your sequence settings from here. But how to do it? Very simple. First of all, choose any preset from here. So I choose any preset like this one. Well, so this is a HD sequence where I can see that the resolution is 1080p and FPS is 23.976. I mean 24 FPS. If you want to take your sequence these settings, simply press OK. You can see your settings will open here. But if you customize or change your settings, so simply go again by press Ctrl N. You can see the box here. Just choose any preset from here and go to setting option. Here you can see editing mode. Just select here any one, like I prefer Airy Cinema, and then you can see here time base. So you can change here like 23.97 or 24 or 25, 29, 30. So I prefer 30. Okay, fine. And here you can see the video resolution or aspect ratio. You can change from here. Right now here you can see 1920 to 1080, which is actually HD, and aspect ratio is 16:9. That means the same video you are watching right now, the aspect ratio of this video is also the same, I mean 16:9. So you can change here the number value. Like if you want to change your video sequence from HD to 4K, you just put the number value of 4K. But where you get the number value of 4K or 6K or 8K, just Google it. Or simply you can multiply by 2. Also you can multiply this one by 2. You get the number value of 4K, and here you can see the aspect ratio is also the same, 16:9. Just press it and you can see here is another sequence. This is the first sequence and this is the next sequence, which is 4K. Well, so honestly speaking, you cannot find out anything difference from the sequence like HD or 4K, but it will affect you when you will edit it. Well, so HD or 4K, whatever the sequence, the aspect ratio is 16:9, which is you are watching right this time. But what if you want to set your video to 9:16 for shorts, reels, or these types of video? Again, press Ctrl N. You can choose any preset from here. Go to setting and just change the number value here 1080 to 1920, and you can see this is already 9:16, which is actually a portrait video that you can see in reels or shorts video. Well, then press OK. You can see here is another sequence which is actually 9:16. Well, so first one is HD and aspect ratio is 16:9, and second one is 4K, aspect ratio is same 16:9, but the third one it is HD but the aspect ratio is 9:16. Well, so this is how you can change your aspect ratio. Also press Ctrl N and go to setting. If you select here like 1080 and here 1080 already placed, you can see the aspect ratio is 1:1, which is square. Just press it and see. You can see a square sequence will appear here. Well, so very simple. I think now you know how to take a new sequence with your preferable aspect ratio. Wait. The video is not end here. Also, you can save your settings as preset so that it will save your time. How you can do it? Simply again go to Ctrl N and you can see the same box here. If you want to change anything, you can change from the setting. For now, I do not change it. Okay. Here you can see an option which is save preset. Just select it and a box will appear here. You can set any name. So for now I set the name HD DSS Studio. You can set any name here actually, so just press OK. And if you go to the custom, you can see HD DSS Studio. Also you can see some other sequence which I actually saved previously, whatever. So under this custom you can see HD DSS Studio. Recently the sequence I just create here, so select it and press OK. You can see the new sequence will appear here. So in future, if you want to take a sequence with the same settings, simply Control N, go to custom, and here you can see your preset sequence. So choose what you want to open and then just open it. You can see it will open. Very simple. Well, so thank you so much to be with me, and people of you who have watched the full video, I think already know how to open or how to take a sequence, also how to save a sequence to save your time for the future edit. By the way, our next step is how to import video to edit. So be with me, and if you like my video, don't forget to share, subscribe and comments. See you in the next video. Take care.